just to clarify the sizes then of the Mye Pad, Alex, what are the options?
You could go, I would say the smallest you could go to fit everything in, i.e. a bathroom, a bed and a small kitchenette, would be 16 foot by 8 foot. So if the chap coming home from university or the lady coming home from university, that's the size that you could fit in comfortably. You would have your own bedroom, your own kitchen, so you could cook for yourself, clean and sleep in there, and you'd have everything that you required. And that's within a 16 by 8.
So 16 by 8, so the next one up would be a 20 by 8.
20 by 8, yeah.
Or 6 metres by 2.44.
Yeah.
And then the 24, which obviously you need a bigger garden.
Yeah, 7.2 metres by 2.440 internally. So that would that's the largest we would do, which makes it which is craneable.
Okay. And what about, are you able to, like you've joined up a 12 by 8 area with a 24 by 8. Are you able to join up a 24 with a 24?
You could do. The thing you've got to work out is your light. You need light coming in.
Right.
So making sure you've got enough light in. I mean, you could join up 2 16 by 8s as well.
Right.
And have the light coming in on the side of one of them and on the...
So there's a few size options, but obviously it's going to get more expensive.
You've got to have two parts. It's got to be craneable in 2 parts.
Right.
So you could have a 2 16 by 8s or a 16 and an 8 by... or two 24 by 8s you could join together.
Right.
But you'd be making sure you've got light going into the back of the building. You wouldn't want to build something that's dark at the back.
Right. Okay, that's great. Thank you.